Hello everyone, welcome back to DelphStack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, this is how to add your Instagram account to your Discord server. First, open your main Instagram account. I am just doing this on my desktop. From here, simply copy the link to your profile. After that, go back to your Discord, click on User Settings, and then click on Connections. As you can see here, there is no direct option for Instagram. So what you're going to do instead is select the domain option. You select domain like this, and then paste your domain here. Paste the link of your Instagram account here, and then click on Next. It will automatically be added to your Discord server. So this is how you can add an Instagram account to your Discord server. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.